Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Nest TV. Today we're speaking about the king of the Zulu nation, that he has found love once again, and we are very happy for Bayede. The Department of Love has not been good to him, and a lot has happened since he took over the throne. We stand as we do not have uNdlunkulu njengamanje. But let me read a story for you that we have written. INdlunkulu kaZulu siqinisekisile ukuthi kukhona ingoduso entsha yenkosi esibayeni ochazwa njengongaba uNdlunkulu wesizwe samaZulu. Umntwana uSihle Mdluli ungwasebukhosini bakwaMdluli eMpumalanga kuthi uneminyaka ewu20 ubudala futhi usechithe isonto lakhe lesibili kwesinye sezigodlo zenkosi enyakatho Mpumalanga yeKwaZulu Natal. INdlunkulu kaZulu-ke nayiqinisekisile ukuthi kukhona ingoduso entsha yenkosi esibayeni ochazwe njengongaba uNdlunkulu wesizwe samaZulu. Umntwana uSihle Zulu ungwasebukhosini bakwaMdluli eMpumalanga kuthi useneminyaka ewu20 ubudala futhi usechithe isonto lakhe lesibili kwesinye sezigodlo zenkosi enyakatho eMpumalanga yaKwaZulu Natal. Ukuba khona kwakhe eqinisekise ngobemele isilo umntwana uGumbela Zulu. Uthe wesifazane wethule ngokusemthethweni kuyena namanye amalungu omndeni wasebukhosini. Bathi-ke bayabhilivela ukuthenini lo uyena umama wesizwe. Umntwana-ke uGumbela uqhubile wathi uzokhumbula phela ukuthi isilo sinelungelo sokuthi sibe nabafazi abaningi. Singakwazi ukuganwa ngamakhosikazi amaningi. Omunye wabo kumele kube ngumama wesizwe ozozala indlalifa njengoba kwenzeka kusona. Futhi lobolo layo kumele likhokhwe yisizwe samaZulu. Uma isilo noNdlunkulu sebegculisekile ukuthi kufanele ukwenza lokho, izobe sicela-ke yena njengomkhulumeli waso noma icela uNdunankulu kwaZulu Natal wakwaZulu ukuthi acele esizweni sakhe ukuthi simkhokhele ilobolo kusho-ke yena umntwana uZulu. Ngokwemthombo yemndeni yaseNdlunkulu, umntwana uSihle ubekhona ngesikhathi kunomcimbi wokugcina komkhosi wokweshwama ubungesonto elidlule esigodlweni esisha eMashobeni. Umthombo uthe ubephakathi kwequlu lezintokazi ezigqoke imvunulo yesiNdebele zidansa umdanso wesintu. Uthe kodwa bambalwa abantu abamqaphelile. Umthombo uqhubekile wathi wethule esilweni umndeni wakubo ukuze bezokwakha ubudlelwane nesizwe samaZulu. So-ke guys, kuyaqinisekisa ukuthi uGelzulu omusha, hayibo sabiza uGelzulu umntwana uSihle, uyena-ke Mdlunkulu-ke manje wamaZulu osekhona omusha emva kokuthi izinto zakhe uQueen Misuzulu noma kaEnzo zingazange zihambe kahle. Singaqinisekisa ukuthi umamiyeni lekhona kuthiwa ushaya ngeqophe emoyeni uthi fuck, because things did not go well between him and the king, even though she was so sure that she is going to be umama wendlu wesizwe samaZulu. Remember that she was stripped of everything sometime last month, where the king wrote to the to the premier of the KZN and said and requested that they should take anything and everything that belonged to Omamiyeni as far as the benefits of being uNdlunkulu. For him to do that, bruh, it meant to say guy was done. There was no way. Even though phela kuba kaGela no, I don't think a man that was still willing to marry you was going to embarrass you in that manner and actually write a letter, not even try and make a phone call and make sure that this letter is being distributed and known. It was more like of an embarrassment. But I think the king, it's a good thing he's taking Sihle Mdluli. Sihle is from the royal family. That's what he's supposed to be doing from the beginning. You know, he was supposed to take from the royal family so that it's Zalila Indlaliva, because everybody that he's been dating, they're not from royal family. So the question is, where is Indlalifa Yako at the end of the day, right? So other rumors are saying that he has tried, you know, to work things around with Maisela. Probably Maisela is back at home because Maisela was the very first person that was married with a king and was married on community of property. And we know also they've been fighting back and forth. Beisana enkantolo and all of that because of the fact ukuthi King wanted divorce from Gamay said. And for me it feels like he didn't want the divorce was being initiated by Maga Enzo. You know, we're gonna call him Maga Enzo because she is Maga Enzo. And I'm so glad that they don't have kids together with this woman. I hope she's not pregnant to Mamien, because if she was pregnant, oh Lord Jesus Christ, we're not gonna hear the end of it. At least now we know King has nothing to do with this woman anymore. Probably why they say us, but congratulations to the king of the Zulu nation with Usihle Mdluli, young beautiful 20-year-old usayiphethe kahle. That's what the king is supposed to do. Uyahamba uyothatha amaqabunga fresh kubo wena uqala, you know. I think he's recorrecting everything that he's been doing very wrong, because since he came it has been a disaster after a disaster. So now we're going to hear ukuthi athina amalungiselelo as we move forward, but for now we are aware that Usihle she is njengamanje esingini esigodlweni sakwaZulu sekulindele ukuthi ke kwenzeke izinto kumele ngabe ziyenzakala ke. Hopefully she's very intelligent, even though she's young. Hopefully she'll be able to, you know, take care of the king or amnikeza indlalifa. That's what matters. Thanks so much for tuning in. Please make sure you do subscribe on the channel and leave a comment and engage, and also try and share the stories that we have with other people. Thank you so much, my guys.